Welcome to Hustle Minds. I'm Sarai, and today we are going to talk about the pricing power play, how to raise your prices without losing your best clients. If you've been stuck at the same rate for months or years, this is your nudge. Pricing is not just math, it's positioning, clarity, and confidence. And yes, you can charge more and keep clients happy when you do it right. All right, let's take it step by step. Step 1. Tighten the promise, then the price. Say your hero line out loud, I help who get specific outcome without big headache. When the outcome is obvious, higher pricing feels logical. Wait, let me repeat that because it's important. Clarity first, price second. Step 2. Define the scope in 5 bullets. What's included, what's not, and your timeline. Scope creep is silent discounting. If clients know exactly what they get, they focus on value instead of negotiating hours. Step 3. Stack proof where buyers look. One mini case study using person, problem, process, proof, payoff. Add a screenshot, a short quote, or a before and after line. People believe what they can see. Step 4. Create 2 clean tiers. A core tier that gets your signature outcome, and a plus tier with higher touch support or a faster timeline. Keep the difference obvious. The anchor of the plus tier often makes the core feel like a no-brainer. Step 5. Add a confidence clause you can stand behind. Something like, if we miss milestone 1, I'll add an extra session. It's not a risky guarantee. It's skin in the game that reduces buyer hesitation. Step 6. Calculate your new price. Take your current rate and increase 20 to 30% for your next 3 clients. If demand is high or delivery is premium, increase 50%. Okay, let me explain this part better. Price changes don't need a grand announcement. Quietly apply the new rate to new opportunities first, then roll out to existing clients with care. Here's your upgrade script for current clients. I'm updating my pricing to better reflect the outcomes we've been achieving and the expanded resources I now bring to the engagement. Your new rate will be new rate starting date. To make this easy, I'm offering 2 options. Stay at your current scope with the new rate or lock in a refreshed, tighter scope that keeps monthly investment the same. Which feels best? You're leading with value and giving choice without discounting your worth. For new leads, try this. Based on your goal to outcome in time frame, I recommend the core package at price. It includes 3 to 5 bullets. If you want speed and priority access, the plus package at higher price adds 2 bullets. Which timeline feels right? Present, pause, let them process. And pay attention to this next part because it matters. Keep a win log. Each week, document 1 measurable result you delivered. When imposter syndrome shows up, your win log answers back with facts. 2 quick health and mindset cues so you show up strong. This is general guidance, not medical advice. Before pricing or sales calls, water first, 2 slow breaths, and a 60-second posture reset. After big decisions, take a 7 to 10-minute walk to clear adrenaline. Calm is part of the close. Your 20-minute action plan for today. Tighten your promise in 1 sentence. Write the 5-bullet scope, outline core and plus tiers, and update your proposal template with the confidence clause. Then send your new rate to the next 2 leads without apologizing for it. You don't need to be louder. You need to be clearer. Clarity earns trust, and trust earns better pricing. I'm Sarai, and this is Hustle Minds. Keep it clear, keep it kind, and keep going. Goodbye for now. Until the next episode.